guys, I'm back and we're doing a slime tutorial. Okay, so now all you'll need for this is 2 clays of your choice. So I pick red and orange to make yellow, and dripping and bubble solution. Okay, so first you get your things, your clay out, or Then, that's a good clay. Then you open up your red. Then you mix them together. So far it's good. They were into this like nicely molded into each other. That makes a good color. This is like thing. This is how to make butter slime. So all you need is color, clay, whatever clay you would like. Mix them together, and this acts as like activator. And if you really want to, you can add food coloring, but I've got to do this glue to prevent that from happening. To prevent food coloring, because I always get my hands all blue when I try and dye it blue, so I just don't want any blue hands this week. Last week I had lots of blue hands. I really did not like it. So far it should look mixed, but you need to wait until the yellow. And so far it's not, but that's really good. Make sure not to drop it like I just did. So far it's gone well, and it's very noisy outside. It's just people talking. So once you've mixed this, mine is not mixed. Oh wow, look at that, guys. You can pour a little bit of bubble mixture. This will be good butter slime. So far, it's not that good. Oh, it's slippery. You might want something to dry it off too. So that I'm gonna dry off now with a piece of tissue. Okay. Now let's get into it. Why is my window open? Okay, it's staying open because I'm quite hot actually. Okay, that's actually then roll it more into the activator / bubble solution. Now you'll need some like glycerin. You have a liquid glycerin. Yeah, I'm not going to use that. Of this, because I don't want to get my hands off. Again. Now it should be like slime now. So I think this went pretty well. So this is just an easy recipe that you normally have clay at home, right? So like if you have clay, if you have clay and like bubble solution, like bubble mixture, or anything like that, you can even do water and soap and just mix that together in like a bottle, and boom, you have bubble solution. It's quite easy to make. This is my own bubble solution that I've made by myself. I just put it in a pot, and it's yellow actually. Oh no, I poured it because I'm dumb. Oh, I can clean that up. Get it away. Get it away, get it away. It's good to have a greased platform, I guess, so you can rub it whenever you need it. And if you need the bubble solution / activator, but yeah, so this is my butter slime. So I really hope you liked this video, because I mean it's fun for me too, because I actually made this. This is my first thing. I found this on YouTube. This one. It's turned out well. It's meant to break. Do not worry if it doesn't stretch like it's used to. But we're gonna prove Isaac Newton wrong and say if you stretch it slowly, it'll stay. No, it doesn't. But that was the video. It says that it worked. But I mean, it's still gone really. But it didn't go yellow as I wanted it to. It went orange. But I mean, it's still nice. Yeah. So you will need quite a little bubble mixture. I'm just gonna play some bubbles. Bubbles. Okay, so there's some splashes. Yeah. No. It's staying zoomed in. What have I done? That's fine. Okay. So try not to do that. Now I'm all sticky and dirty. Why does it? What's it doing? I think I've messed with the system. Was like this close before? Yes. So here was my orange butter clay slime. You do normally use normal butter for this, but I didn't want to waste butter, so I used clay, and it turned out exactly the same. So I really hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is also on YouTube for FUV, but please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all again next time. Goodbye.